Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 13th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla is moving up quite nicely today. So we are up $35.42. That's good for 3.59%. Closed at 1022.37. Post market, we are down $1.15 at 1021.22. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. We were coming down. And basically yesterday we started stabilizing a little bit. We are stabilizing a little bit right here at around 975. And we touched our resistance at 1023.11 yesterday. We touched it perfectly yesterday. Look at this here. And also today. So today the body of the candle is right to 1023.11, even though we crossed it a little bit during the day, but then came back down a little bit. So nice green candle. So I started doing this new support right here because it seems like this is really a new low. Let's go see on the 1 hour chart how this happened. Basically, we had this double resistance, and yesterday we were hugging this first resistance right here. And today we broke that double resistance. We broke outside of it. Stochastic was not yet at 60. Stochastic became at over 60 right here on this candle here. And this is the 1023.11 that we have here. So we crossed it a little bit on this candle, but then came back just underneath it today on the last hour. In terms of stochastic on the 1 hour chart, look at this. So pretty strong stochastic. So I would not be surprised if we break 1023.11 tomorrow. And if we break it, that's a very nice signal, I feel, to enter Tesla. In terms of indicators on the 1 hour chart, so we have a MACD crossover, we have RSI over 50, and we have DMI also that's green. So strong indication that we really want to break this. But of course, resistance lines and support lines are more important than indicators. But we have the indicators there. We have them there. We just need the stock to push a little bit. So coming back here, if we go back to our indicators on the daily chart, so we have stochastic back over 60. So we are going to have this green thumb up. We have MACD still crossed over bearish. RSI came back above 50. So that's nice. So that's a positive sign right here. And DMI is also positive with the green line above the red line. This is going to be very interesting to see if for the last day of the week tomorrow, if we are going to be able to break this 1023.11. But for sure, this was a strong day for Tesla. Let's go look at the VIX a little bit. So VIX is coming down quite well. This has helped Tesla move up a little bit. In terms of Dow Jones, they have been bouncing back up. So Dow Jones had broken 34,333 yesterday, and stochastic was below 60. So it seemed like we were going to go down, but no, this is a little bit of a reversal right here, but we still have not crossed this resistance line. So technically we are still in this downward channel. Even though it was a strong day, it did not break the trend itself. So this is where we have the channel right here. Standards and Poor's, the same thing, but this one was not as strong. So it came and retested 44.54. Stochastic still below 60 here. And on Dow Jones, stochastic, yes, it's still barely below 60. Nasdaq bouncing up a little bit, but stochastic is still lower than 60. So this is not quite as strong right here. And Nasdaq 100 is pretty much stabilizing at 13,901. But indicator-wise, it is pretty weak. It's going to be interesting to see what is happening tomorrow. So check 1023.11. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.